Are you someone who takes your laptop or your phone with you everywhere? Is scrolling through your phone and laptop over and over again for no reason getting exhausting? Well, in today's video, we are going to be showing you a brand new strategy that's going to help you make money, and that involves watching videos. Now, we know we've done a lot of get paid to watch videos already, but today's method is brand new, and we know that you guys are going to love it. Now look at all of these people who've already earned using our brand new method. And today, you're about to become one of them. You won't need any skills or experience to participate in this method because it's made for anyone and everyone, which is great. Although this isn't something you can do long term or consider as a career, it's still great as a side hustle and something that's going to get you through the hard times where you're in need of some extra cash. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Now before we continue on any further, this isn't something you've already seen before. Yes, it's the same make money by watching videos concept, but there's a completely different twist to it that we're sure you guys aren't expecting. Anyway, first step is to go ahead and open up youtube.com, and basically you're gonna get paid to watch videos on YouTube. First things first, go ahead and sign in by clicking this button on the upper right corner, and then you're going to be brought to this page right here. You're going to be asked to log in through your Gmail account, and all you have to do is enter your email address and your password and then sign in. But if you don't have a Gmail account, then you can easily just click on create an account right here to open up your own YouTube or Gmail account. And just like that, you should have your own YouTube account, and it should look just like this. To your left, you're going to see an explore button that you're going to want to click on, and then you're going to be brought to here, and from here we want you to select gaming. In this way, you're going to see all of the gaming related videos on YouTube that are of course doing really good, and that's exactly what we want to see. Now we want you to choose any of the games that you're seeing on your screen. It doesn't really matter what game you choose as long as it's something liked by a lot of people and something that's well known as well. Now let's set that aside and move on to the next website that's actually going to be paying us some real money. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. That website is called 7r6.com, and the way that you're going to be making money using this website is by shortening YouTube video links. Yes, that's all you're going to have to do. As you can see, the steps are simple. Step 1, create an account. Step 2, shorten your link. And step 3, earn money. It's literally as easy as 1, 2, 3. Once you've created an account, you can shorten any video link, and from there, every time someone clicks on your link, you get paid. Now the reason why they pay you is because when someone clicks on your link, they aren't going to be taken to the link right away. Instead, they're going to be brought to a page that has some advertisements first, and those brands that are being advertised pay 7R6 to promote, and that payment 7R6 will share a portion with us, the ones who shorten those links. That's basically the concept. If you want to know more and read more, you can easily just come on over to their website and read through all of the information that they have to share. Now, first thing we have to do is sign up for a free account. And to do so, you're going to want to click on the sign up button right here, and that should take you to this page. Then you're going to add in all of the information being asked. Your username, your email, your password twice, agree to the terms and conditions, and finally hit on register. Once you're all registered, you can then see the inside of your 7R6 account. That should look like this. And basically, you're going to see your status with the links. Everything you need and want to know about how your links are doing, you can find here. To shorten your link, you're just going to want to click on this button and this should pop up. You can then paste your link right here. You can even add an expiration date if you want, and an alias, since that makes it look more original and legit. So we do suggest that you add an alias. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. So obviously the links that you're going to shorten would be of those gaming videos. Now we're going to be sharing our bonus tip number 1, which would be to choose live videos, because if you do what we said, then you're most likely going to get better results. You can just click on this to see all of the live videos, and there you have it, all of the live videos ready to be chosen from. Next step is to choose a video, and for example, we're going to be choosing this one right here. Then go ahead and click on the share button, then copy the link, go back to 7R6, paste that link, add in your alliance, and then click on shorten, and just like that, you have your shortened link ready. And to get more money and even the best results, try to get at least 5 videos shortened, just so that there's more time saved and money made all at once. You can do more than 5 if you can, which is obviously better. The more videos, the more money you can make. So once you have all of the videos, we now have to figure out where to put these videos to be able to get all of the traffic that we need. We have 2 traffic sources for you today. And our first one is called steamcommunity.com. And on this website is where you can find everything about gaming, where random people get to post about gaming. This is perfect, and it's obvious that it's perfect because it is all about gaming. So this should be your first result into getting traffic to your link. The second website is called moot.us, and this website has the same exact concept and content as a Steam community website, and that is why this is also great. Steam just goes up ahead because there's a much more bigger gaming audience there, but if you use both of these websites to drive traffic into your link, then we can assure you that in no time you're going to be making big bucks, and that is basically everything. And to wrap it all up, first, you need to go to 7r6.com, then you're going to sign up, then you're going to get your YouTube videos, then you're going to shorten those links, you're going to go ahead to Steam Community and moot.us, paste those links there, and start earning money, and that is everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.